They love the ocean in the Faroes. It was always their workplace. It kept them alive and their economy running. After a few months on the Atlantic Ocean, the sailors come home and head straight for harbour, where they have a little boat of their own, and then they go back to sea. They have traditional Faroese boats, different kinds of modern fishing boats and yachts. In the summer, you see many foreign boats. Vágsbotn is part of the town centre, with restaurants and cafes around. Summer is when it really happens in Vágsbotn. The weather is good and you can have a cold beer. In the background you hear the sound of small fishing vessels mixed with the sound of seagulls. Today, there's a music festival in Tórshavn, and musicians are placed around the town centre and the Vágsbotn marina, greeting the guided tourist party with music. For foreign boats, Vágsbotn is a great harbour. Speak to the local boating club. They'll give you all the help you need, and they're friendly people. You'll find that they're always interested in knowing about visiting boats.